Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is about ticker symbol ABBV for AbbVie, and previously I made a video on this particular ticker, but there is not a lot of video, and what I found, like, people love to look for those tickers which are hot, and more people are making videos. That is why, like, when you make a video on NEO, I see lot of views and subscription to my channel. But anyway, you should not miss this particular video because I want to show you something, then you can decide whether you want to invest or not. But stay tuned with me because that is particular stock stood really well last week. Just quick comparison, the black line is ABBV for last 5 days, you can see here, and I have here SPY is the black one and the orange one is QQQ. So in last 5 days you can see that AbbVie was up 2%. On the other hand, SPY was down, QQQ was down. So you can see that even such a red volatile market, that stock performed really well. So stay tuned and do not leave the video, watch till the end, because in this video I will talk about this particular stock, and it also pays dividend, and also the price target, the chart pattern, and also like some call option opportunity. So do not miss this information. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because I always love to bring you the stocks that are about to explode or we can make some quick profit. So I made a video on AbbVie. This is not the first time, it was on January 13th. That was my first video on this particular one. So anyway, so this is the chart I'm showing you on a weekly basis. You can see that that stock price was like around 119, came all the way down. Then on a weekly chart you can easily see that if you see this is a trend, we are going higher, right? You can take this one, or if you want, you can consider this one. So on a weekly basis we are going higher. So there's a wedge is going higher. We go high, we come down, we go high, we come down, and currently we are here. So we can come down or we can come up, we will see. But on a weekly chart you can see how we are going up. I will come back to daily to show you the breakout pattern, and I will also talk about the support and resistance. But before that, just look some other stuff. So what is AbbVie? So this is a research-based biopharmaceutical company engaged in the development and sale of pharmaceutical product. It focuses on treating conditions such as chronic autoimmune disease, oncology, including blood cancer, virology, then HCV, HIV, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so basically a pharmaceutical company, and you can see you can read more about this. Also, if you're interested, you can go to their website and you can see what they do, what they don't do, those kind of things. So the other good thing is this a company also pays dividend, and it pays $1.3 cash. So you can see 1.3, 1.18. So the annual dividend is 4.2, okay, and the dividend yield is 4.78%, and the PE ratio is 37. So look at the numbers, wonderful. The other one I want to show you about their year by year. You can see the revenue like 7.9 million, 7.8, and then 8.6 is growing. Also look at the EPS, 1.74 in 2018, then 1.65 in 2019, but in 2020 then 2. It's all good. Also in terms of dividend, you can see 0.96, 1.18. I'm just looking at March. So if you want, you can go to their NASDAQ and you can also look for this stock, and you can see their revenue, EPS, and everything. Also, I want to show you their for each quarter. So the blue line is the estimated and the light blue is the reported, and each time you can see like they have beaten the estimate, right? Because the second bar, which is the blue bar, is always higher than this. So they make good earning. So this is the point I just want to show you, right? And you can see the surprise. And finally, I want to go back to the chart, and this is my chart. Okay, so, and one other thing, I also want to show you the price target for this particular stock. So again, on NASDAQ, if you go to analyst rating, you can see it has a strong buy, You can see all the big names here, which keeps it an average price target of 124. Currently we are sitting $107. The average is 124 with a high of 140 and with a low of 110, and currently we are below 110. So you see there is a more upside, and you can see the big name JP Morgan here, Morgan Stanley. So all the big names are here, right? So you see, like, this company has a potential. If you're long, definitely you can make money. Also, just looking at the chart, I think for the short term or medium term traders, you can also get some benefit. So on a weekly, definitely you see this stock price is going up. Now let's move to a daily chart. So I'm moving to daily, and what we can see here, beautiful, right? So going up, come down, going up. So one important thing I want to focus here, that on a daily chart, you see last week how we did. Like, we had some green days. Let's look at the week last week how we did. Yeah, you see. So last 2 weeks we had bad. Last week was bad, but you see this stock is green. It's a big candle, right? And even the week before, you see the candle, right? So it tells us, like, even though the market was bad, this stock was performing well. Also on a weekly chart, you know my favorite thing, the bull flag pattern, right? So we are even consolidating or within this triangle, and I think once we break this particular line on a weekly chart, we can go higher. So it has the potential of going higher. And why I say higher, I will show you the support and resistance. And finally, let's go back to the daily chart. So what I can see here again, so same thing, I would say this is applicable here, right? And I can play this with two ways, right? So one thing could be like this. So the stock can go there, it can come back and it can go up, or the other way is on a daily chart, I can just go like this way, right? So we have only few days left within this triangle, and then maybe we will go up, but most probably we will not go sideways, we will just go up. So I see a upside for this particular one, just looking at the daily chart. If you look at a 5-minute chart for last few days, even though the market was volatile, you can see how we performed. Like, we were not bad, we were moving around $104 to $107 for last week. So it's not very volatile, very stable, and it has an upside for going higher. So now let's look at support and resistance, like what we can expect. So just looking at the chart, it's very easy to look at the support and resistance for this price. So this is the resistance I think we are looking at around $109. So we tried to break this one once, we came down, then again we went up, came down, again we tried to push, came down, now we are again trying to push up. So I think once we break this 109, we can go up to at least 113 near term. And also look at this support, it's beautiful, right? The daily chart is so beautiful, you can easily draw the support and resistance. So worst case, if it can't break 109, it might come down, it can bounce off this particular line 101, then I see there is another one around here 103. But watch the stock, if we can break this 109 110 area, then we can push higher and we can go up to 113. And what happens after 113? We have some few other resistance here, right? So one is around 119, around this mark, and I don't see any clear. If I go back to 2018, I know I'm going so far, but yeah, 118. And let's make this black color. I love to make it red. Okay. So in a nutshell, so this is a good company. The average price target, even the low, is like 114. The low is 110. Currently we are sitting at 110. This company gives you dividend, so that's a good one. The chart pattern on a weekly basis is bull, is going up. Even on a daily chart, I see it will go higher, but if not higher, if it comes down for any reason, you can see the support and resistance. If we can break 109 or 10 area, we can go up to 113, and if we can break 113, and you can see like we have a big room to go up to 120. Or if it comes down, then you see the support 103 and 101. And again, this is a good company. If you are long term, then yeah, definitely a good choice. If you are short or medium term, then you can also invest. And the final one is the call option. What call option I'm playing? I am playing with the May 21st expiry for this particular one, and I think the one I have is 115 strike. So basically the premium is 270, so your break even is 117. So what I'm expecting that if we can break that 110, then we can push up to 113. My option premium will go higher, I will be in benefit. If we can even break that 113, we can go close to 118. So I just need a green movement so that I can make some quick profit. If you do not want to spend more, you can just even choose like 120. But I think if you want to look at the delta, you can see that 110 strike has a delta of 43. Choosing 115, delta is only 31. So if the stock price goes $1, I get only $31. Also look at the implied volatility is low. So even if the stock price does not move drastically, if it moves sideways, you will not lose a lot of money from your premium, which is good. At the same time, which is bad, because it means like your volatility is not that much. Good and bad, it has both ways. But once you have a longer expiration and a lower volatility, you are safe. Just buy and forget. The other one you can choose April 16th. I'm not looking at March for now. And the calls are not expensive. Like if you take 110, $3 premium, so 113 will be your break even. And just looking at the chart, I think it can go up to 113 once we break 110. What you can do, if we break 109 or 10, you can just purchase this one, 110 strike with $300 premium. So you can also get some quick money. But anyway, that particular company stood really well last week, even though we all had red days. The entire week was actually red, but this particular stock was good. I had a call option for this one, so it kept me, not my entire portfolio green, but it's always good to see that some stocks are green even though most of them are red. Anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this particular video is to reintroduce you to this particular stock and show you the pattern and the call options, support and resistance. And if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, my friends. Have a nice weekend. Peace.